I'm Pat Smitty and I'm a retired conservation ranger. I've been watching the birds of Cork Harbour for, I'd say, around about 40 years. Even 10 years retired, I still go back and visit sites that I visited for so many years. I would associate otters very much with Cork Harbour. There have been a couple of bigger animals as well, such as whales and seals. They sometimes enter the harbour as well. My favourite places are actually in the east side of the harbour, particularly Saline, Rostellan, East Ferry areas. Those are beautiful little quiet places, very rich in bird life as well. I remember one incident in September 1995 when 12 pilot whales entered the harbour and beached themselves by Rostellan. Fortunately, we were able to refloat all of them again and they all swam away out of the harbour again. And we got an awful lot of help from local people as well. It will be great, I think, in a few years' time when the Lower Cork Harbour project is finished. By that stage, there will not be any raw sewage entering the harbour anymore. Cork Harbour is very important in a European scale, and many parts of Cork Harbour are designated as either special areas of conservation or special protection areas. I would hope that the harbour has a future and that the wildlife of the harbour has a future as well. And I think they can. You know, wildlife can go hand in hand with industry, with a lot of recreational activity, with a large human population nearby. And I think it can be achieved.